Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aptitude Club, and today we are here with a very interesting question on time and work for CAT exam. And this is not like a very difficult question, but a very interesting question, and in a very fundamental way we should understand how to approach such questions in the exam. Typically work efficiency application is used, and towards the end of the video I'll introduce you to a shortcut where you can solve this question in 10 seconds or even lesser than that. So before getting into the solution part, I would request all of you watching this video, pause at this moment and try this question yourself first, and then maybe get into the explanation of this. So what exactly is given here? That working alone, Amit is a person who takes 45 extra days to complete a certain task as compared to the time taken by Amit and Bhavna working together. So there are two people, Amit and Bhavna, and if they are working together, and then if Amit is working alone, so Amit working alone would take 45 extra days. Of course, two people working and same task to be done by one person, that person will take some extra time. So Amit takes 45 extra days, whereas working alone, Bhavna takes 20 extra days to complete the same task as compared to Amit and Bhavna working together. So if Amit works alone and does the entire task, Amit will take 45 extra days. And the same thing, if Bhavna works alone and does the entire task, she will take 20 extra days. So clearly from this, one thing we can conclude that Bhavna is more efficient than Amit, because if she works alone, she takes lesser number of days as compared to Amit working alone. So Bhavna is more efficient, but how much more and what's the relation between their efficiencies, we don't know. To understand it in a visual manner, let me present this question in this way. So let us say this bigger rectangle represents the total work. So if you look at this case first, this is the work done by Amit, let us say, and this is the work done by Bhavna, and let us say they together take X days. Let us say together they take X days to do this work. That means Amit in X days will do this much work, and Bhavna in X days will do this much work. So let me write it in this way. This is basically Amit, work done by Amit in X days, and this is the work done by Bhavna in X days. To put it visually, okay. Now we have two separate cases. What if the work was done by Amit alone? So Amit, this part will be done by Amit in X days. That remains constant. But this part, which was earlier done by Bhavna in X days, to do this part, Amit takes 45 days basically. 45 extra days Amit takes to do the work that was earlier done by Bhavna. So this is how I can represent this portion of the work that was earlier done by Bhavna. Now Amit is taking 45 days. And similarly, if Bhavna is working alone, Bhavna would do this much work in X days. But the work that was earlier done by Amit, this work was earlier done by Amit, but if Bhavna does this, Bhavna takes 20 days to do this work. So this is a simple visual representation of the question to help you understand in a better manner. So if I compare, let us say this is case 1, and let's say this is case 2, and this is case 3, and then put it here in this way, we'll derive a very easy shortcut. And to understand the shortcut, just one simple rule that we need to know, that is work efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Inversely proportional, that means if one thing goes up, the other has to come down. Now this is logical also. If you are more efficient, you will take less time to complete a work, and if you are less efficient, you will take more time. So work efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So I can translate this inverse relation like this: W1 by W2 will be T2 by T1. Had it been directly proportional, So it would have been W1 by W2 is equal to T1 by T2, but because it is inversely proportional, so W1 by W2 is T2 by T1. Now think about this. If I compare case 1 and case 2 and I focus on this portion, because Amit तो अपना work 40 जो X days में उतना कर ही रहा है, but the work that was done by Bhavna in X days, Amit takes 45 days to do the same. So work being constant, case 1 and case 2 if you compare, work done by Amit in X days is equal to, sorry X days बोल रहा हूँ, work done by Amit in 45 days. Whatever work Amit could do in 45 days is same as the work done by Bhavna in X days. From this relation, Bhavna used to do this amount of work in X days. Amit to do that work is taking 45 days. So I can write work efficiency of Amit to work efficiency of Bhavna is time taken by Bhavna to time taken by Amit. Time taken by Bhavna is X days, whereas Amit is taking 45 days, and this is my equation 1. Then if I compare case 1 and case 3, again same logic, I can write work done by Amit in X days is equal to the work done by Bhavna in 20 days, isn't it? Compare case 1, work done by Amit in X days, this work that Amit used to do in X days. If Bhavna does that work, Bhavna is taking 20 days. So I can again write work of efficiency of Amit by work efficiency of Bhavna is time taken by Bhavna to time taken by Amit. Bhavna is taking 20 days, Amit is taking X days. This is equation 2. So if you compare equation 1 and 2, they are equal. So I can just simply put X by 45 is equal to 20 by X, or you get X square is equal to 45 into 20 is 900. That means X is equal to 30. Once you know what is X, then we can easily calculate. If X is 30, तो ये यहाँ पे आ रहा है 30. Amit working alone will take 30 plus 45, 75 days, and Bhavna working alone will take 30 plus 20, 50 days. Easy. So coming back to the question, find the time taken by Amit alone to complete the task working alone. Answer is 75 days. This is the fundamental approach how to solve. I just equated work efficiency. This was to explain the question to you visually, but then this is the calculation. But not every time you need to do this. Once you understand this type of a question, there is a very easy shortcut which is predominantly derived from this, which I can write it in this way, which will help you answer it in seconds. That T is square root of T1 into T2, where T is the time taken working together, and T1 and T2 is the extra time taken working individually. Extra time is the extra time taken working individually. Once you know that, then the question is simple. I can directly write T. I see 45 extra days in case of Amit and 20 extra days in case of Bhavna. So 900 square root. So I get 30. Once this is 30, so what is the time taken by Amit alone? It is 30 plus 45, 75 days. 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds we can solve this. So this is the shortcut, very important shortcut. And there is a similar shortcut, ekdam same, but it is used in context of time, speed and distance. In another question I'll explain the same thing to you in point of view of time, speed and distance, how this shortcut is applied. Very interesting formula, and I hope all of you understood the derivation. While you are preparing for the exam, do not just like get excited when you see a shortcut. Also understand the background of it. If a formula is being used how is it derived. Only then your application skills will develop. Just remembering the formula is not enough. It won't suffice in the exam because you won't understand how to apply it. Maybe in this question you could, but if I change or modify the question a little bit, how will you relate to that formula and then apply? So that takes a lot of understanding. So for that, when you are starting your preparation, or you are solving any question, or you are using any formula, try and understand the background of it. How is it derived? So even if you don't know the formula, at least logically you are sound and you will be able to approach the question in the exam. So this is the formula. You look at this. If I draw parallels, so this is T by T1 and this is T2 by T. So I can write it in this way: T by T1 is equal to T2 by T, or from this I can get T is equal to square root of T1 into T2, and that is how this is derived. So first I derived the formula. Once you understood the derivation, you can directly use it the next time when you see a similar question. So hope this question is clear. Very fundamental and important question in time and work, and all of you enjoyed the explanation of the video. If you're new to my channel and you have watched this far, do subscribe to my Aptitude Club channel for more such content about your CAT related and other management entrance test preparation. This is a relatively new channel. I try and upload videos regularly to help you in your CAT preparation journey. So if you like my way of teaching, do like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet again very soon in yet another video. Till then, keep solving, keep studying. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.